here with the Mop Bucket Stat Program. Give you a brief rundown, make it really quick for you. On the front page here we have instructions. If I click on that, it gives you saving matches, editing names, overall stat sheet, updates, a link to our website, and you can close and go back to the front page. Start mopping up the competition. We want to click on that to get to our match sheet. Our first match page has matches 1 through 8. Each match page after that has another 8 matches until you get to the last match page, which just has 49 and 50 on it. At the top of each match page, you have our overall record. At the bottom, you have overall record sheet. So we're going to click on that. And this is orientated so it fits onto a tablet or a phone. So it does look sideways here. If you look over here on the left, you'll see at the top name and school. So that's where we want our wrestler's name. We have our overall record up there. In the list, we have our weight, our opponent's name, our team name, score, how they won or lost, whether or not it's a meet or a tournament, and then the date. So we're going to go back to our first match and we're going to set this up. So we click on load match 1. Here we're going to enter in our weight, 152. Now next we're going to enter in our wrestler. Tom Sparks will be our first wrestler. He'll be from Penn State. Now over here on the right you'll see this little writing and a couple of buttons. Basically what it is in order for our record sheet at the end to work for the entire series of matches, what we want to do is set this first wrestler to the home name. So that means he'll be home name for every single match. And then every opponent that we have will be down here in the red. So we're going to set the home name. And then we're going to start with our opponents. So I'm going to enter in an opponent, Todd Miller from Illinois. And then we're going to choose whether it's a tournament or a meet. We're going to click on tournament. We're going to enter the location, NIU, the date, 02/12/18. Over here on the right, this button allows you to edit tournament or meet. I'm going to pick tournament again. I'm going to start my match. So here's our match layout. And there's a couple of things here that you should know about. Our time clock does work. Up here at the top, we can stop it. If I want to subtract time, I can, or add time. If I want a quick set, I click on quick set and pick whatever minute I want. I also have these other clocks in here, 2 minute, 5 minute, recovery times, minute and a half, blood times 5 minutes, injury times 2 minutes. Click start. We're going to let that run down a little bit. To reset this, I click on miscellaneous clocks up here at the top. Click on that. Now here's different than our other quick set clock. So I'm going to find home blood time. And up here it says 3 minutes or 5 minutes is 300 seconds. So if I click 300 seconds, it sets it to 5 minutes. I close out of that and that's reset. So just give you a brief overview of how the clocks work. Now when you get to the match layout, our first period is automatically started. Now the first takedown is highlighted in orange, so you know who's gotten the first takedown. Now if home gets first takedown, it's in orange, otherwise it will be in blue. And then red can get an escape, end first period. We click to start the second period. We have our choices here. Red defers, green chooses bottom, green will get a reversal, red will get an escape and a takedown. If I need to edit my choice, I can click edit choice, and if I need to make that change in there, I can. Otherwise we go back there. If I want to edit period 1, I can click on that and go back in here. I can edit or add. If I need to subtract, then I can go back to edit period 2. Then I'm going to click to start period 3. Green had choice, so now it's red's choice, and they have bottom. Red's going to get an escape, green's going to get a takedown, and then we're going to end the match. So right now green's winning 6-5. So we are going to come down here into the middle, the bottom, and we're going to enter in our match results. So we're going to enter match results. Green wins, and it's a decision. And then we're going to close out. Here it's highlighted by wins by decision. It's highlighted in green. If red was the winner, it would be in red. Quick stats right above that. You'll see it gives us a rundown of how many takedowns, how many reversals, near fall, escapes for your opponent and for yourself. You can click go back. In here, before we leave, we need to save the match. That saves all data to where we're at right now. If I need to reset my match data, I can click on reset match data. If I need to update names, I can go to the name entry, and then I have to click update name. And then I go to my list of matches. So here, when we're done, green won, so we need to create a win, which updates our overall record over here. Then our record sheet, if we go there, you'll see that our name is up here at the top, Tom Sparks from Penn State, and he wrestled at 152 against Todd Miller from Illinois. He won, score was 6-5, wins by a decision, and it was at a tournament, and it was on February 12th of 18. So that gives you kind of a rundown of how the program works, and I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please email us. You can find the email on our website. Good luck.